In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically resize images in WordPress when uploading them. By the end, your images will always fit perfectly without extra effort. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Click the login button at the top right and select Continue with Google for a quick, secure login. Choose the account linked to your WordPress site and you'll land on your dashboard. Next, navigate to your site's settings and click Media. This section controls how WordPress handles images. Here, you'll find the image sizes options allowing you to set dimensions for thumbnails, medium, and large images. Adjust these to your preferred sizes, ensuring consistency across your site. Once you've made your changes, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now, every image you upload will automatically conform to the dimensions you specified, improving load times and maintaining a polished look. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now set to resize images automatically, saving you time and keeping your website visually consistent.